is not a single procedure. Let's simplify it.
IVF. You have probably heard the term many times. But what actually happens during the IVF? Let's simplify it. Once a couple has done a pre-IVF workup based on their detailed medical history, current fertility tests and past treatment, an individualized treatment protocol which is specific for them is made and an IVF cycle is started. The first step is ovarian stimulation. This means we give medications to the wife to help the ovaries produce multiple eggs instead of one single egg that is usually released every month. This whole cycle takes about 10 to 11 days, and once the eggs are matured and ready, they are collected through a small procedure which we call as an egg retrieval or an ovum pickup. Now this is a painless procedure which is done under a short general anesthesia in which the patient goes home the very same day. The next step is in the IVF lab. Now here the eggs are combined with the sperm. Now this procedure is called the fertilization or the in vitro fertilization. That means it's happening outside the body. So when a single sperm is injected inside a matured egg, this technology is called as ICSI or an intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Fertilization takes place to create baby eggs which we call as the embryos. Now these embryos are then carefully monitored for their growth and the quality, and inside the IVF lab that usually takes around 3 to 5 days. And the final step for the IVF is the embryo transfer. A healthy embryo is selected as being the most matured and a good quality is selected and then transferred back into the uterus, probably in the same cycle or in the next cycle. After that, the nature takes over for the next 2 weeks, and this is a very, very important phase post-embryo transfer, just waiting for the embryo to implant. Now, the pregnancy test will be taken after 2 weeks of the embryo transfer. So when people say IVF, they are actually talking about a process that involves the eggs, sperms, IVF lab and the embryos and a lot of careful planning. So IVF is not just a single procedure. It's a beautiful journey towards parenthood made up of several important steps.